Hey, what is up, guys? Justin here. I'm going to go over some important things for you to update on your resume to get the interview. Everything has changed in 2024 since AI has blown up. You need to utilize it because not everybody is. Get ahead of the curve. How do we do that? So, when you're going to apply, you want to tailor your resume to every single job posting you apply for, every single one. I know it's more work, but you got to put in more work if you're going to pass up everybody else because majority of everybody else does not want to put in more work. This is how you just quickly get ahead of them. So go to ChatGPT or any other AI you want to use. I recommend ChatGPT. Go into the command prompt, and this is all about how you type things in. This is a whole subject called prompt engineering. Different video for a later time. However, you want to be specific. The more specific your questions, the more precise and accurate answers you get, right? So when you're typing, say something like, I want you to tailor my resume to make it more professional and to more closely align or to mirror the wording used in the job posting. So you're not asking it to lie on your resume to say you have qualifications you don't have. You're just wanting the verbiage, the wording to match. Why is that so important? Because HR professionals like myself, when I'm reviewing applications, if it's like, let's say for an IT position, there's a lot of jargon I don't know. You may have a qualification listed that's a different word, but the same thing as the requirement. I won't know that. Next thing you know, I decline you because you're not using the right wording. Same thing with applicant tracking systems. Bigger companies use AI in their applicant tracking systems when you apply to determine whether you meet or not, instead of using an HR person because they get too many, like thousands of applicants. So if you're not matching the wording on the job posting, you're going to get declined from that too. That's why this is so important. Who knows how many jobs you've applied for with your one resume and just threw it out there and got declined because you didn't edit it or tailor it to what they're looking for. So how do we do this? Go into ChatGPT, type in specifically, I want you to tailor my resume to match the job posting, right? So that you're going to say, I'm going to copy my resume and then I'm going to paste the job posting below. And boom, watch it go. And if you don't get the desired result, be more specific. Ask it. Tell it specifically, I want my bullet points, wording wise, concepts, any jargon to match what's in the job posting. Boom. You're going to be solid. You go apply with that, you're going to get the interview. Now you got to start working on what interview questions do I need to study for? How do I answer those, right? One step at a time. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Take care.